Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm back with another Tashie's tip video. Probably not on a Tuesday, but it's still a Tashie tip, no matter what day of the week it is. And who knows what day of the week it is now anyway. So today I'm going to be doing, it's kind of one trick, but could be used for multiple things, kind of. It's basically how to make your own like animated GIFs, and also how to layer videos on Insta stories. So we've done the how to layer photos on Insta stories so you can create custom templates on your own. So now we're doing videos. Love this. Okay, so I'm going to record my phone screen as always and put it next to me here. Is that enough over? Yeah. Right, record phone screen. So this way of making your own animated GIFs, you can do either from a video or from a live photo. So either one you can use this for. Random. Okay, so the app you're going to need, oh, by the way, if you don't know how to do live photo, these are my slippers, this is my monitor, this is Peony. Hey baby, hey baby. Oh, jeez. So live photo is this button in the top right. So no one else have to do that when they're checking the left and right, left, right. Top right, live off, live on. Okay. The app you're going to need is called PicPLayPost. I think I have spoken about it before, a long time ago. I've had it for years. I use it a lot. I find it really useful for a lot of things. So it's this one right here. So we click on this. Let me just come out of that because I have actually already filmed this video once, but it didn't come out too good. So here we are again. Peony snoring. Okay, so this is what you open when you first open it. Let me just open that again. PicPLayPost. So you go new project. Create a movie or slideshow. Then also you can choose your size. Obviously, usually we would just go straight to story size if you're doing this for stories. But because we're going to be layering videos, then you can use actually any size. So let's go for 4.5. And then you want to press add. You can do split screen, which makes it like, you know when I put on ones up that are like 4 of the same video or 100 of the same video, this is what I use. But I'm going to just show you, I'll show you a video first on full screen. So go full screen, then find a video. Let me just go to videos because then I'll know it's definitely a video. Videos. And then we'll do this one. Okay, so this is a video. Let me just turn the volume down. So that's just a normal video that you've taken of yourself or of whatever it may be. Okay, that is that. Then you can obviously, if you click on it, you have some options. So you can trim it, you can split it, you can adjust like the size of it or where it is. Say it wants to sit up there or down there. You can zoom in, you can zoom out. I'll probably leave it where it was-ish. I mean, it doesn't really matter for the demonstration of the video. Green. You can reverse, you can freeze, you can do multiple. So yeah, you can add stickers, filters, black and white, like there's a lot you can do on here. But the main thing I use this for is just this. So this is the video. Then we go to save and share. We go to camera roll, which is this one here. And then you want to save as an animated GIF. So you see that? The 1, 2, 3, 4th one down, animated GIF. Save. Rendering, saving. Done. Okay, and then you can go onto your Insta stories. Hey. Let's just make it a plain background. Actually, no. Let's import that actual original video, which is this one. So this is the full video. This was yesterday. So this is the full video. But then we can go to our photos. Go to this one, which you can see here. It looks like a picture. Is it not gone there yet? What's going on? Yeah. It looks like a picture. There it is. But it's actually moving. If you click on it, it's moving, yeah? So then we go to the bottom left, click on it, and then we're going to press copy photo as if you were layering a photo like we know how to do. Copy photo, then go back in to just swipe to the Instagram, press add sticker, and there we have 2 videos. So you can layer the video on top of each other. Obviously, I feel like this doesn't look so good because it's the same video, although it does look kind of cute. It's quite cute that you can layer them both like that. I think that looks quite cool. It's very different. I don't really see this very often because we've always had a thing where we couldn't really layer videos. So I think this is cool. But I do think it would look really good. This is one option. So by the way, this one here, is now just your own little animated GIF, like it's just there. But we could, I'm going to go back into here, come out of that, I'll show you how you do it on a live photo. I'll show you how you do it as a multiple. So still the same thing, create a movie slideshow. Then we're going to go, let's go big. We're going to go add. We're going to go split screen. And then we're going to go find a live photo. So like this one. And then you've got templates up here. So whether you want to split it into 2, into 3. I usually go for the 4 one, which is that one right there. I actually quite like this one for this. Where's it gone? This is kind of cool. So it makes it like this. So this is a live photo, obviously showing you movie. You don't have to click anything. You put a live photo in here, it will automatically make it into a video like this. And then we're gonna save and share, camera roll, animated GIF, GIF, done. Then what you could do, let me just get rid of that one, is say if we go to my Instagram, like say for example, you just posted that photo, which is here. So say you wanted to share that you just posted this photo, you could press the arrow to add to story, and then let's just make the background a nicer colour. I quite like this colour here. That's quite nice. So let's make it that colour. Done. Then we're going to go into photos. We're going to find that animated GIF. GIF. Come on, load please. My phone is so slow. There it is. Okay, so it looks like a photo. Open it. It's not a photo, it is a GIF. Copy photo, back onto Instagram, put up photo, and then you could like maybe, let me just move that a bit smaller down there. You could maybe put it like that, and then layer the picture on top to show that you've got a new post, like so. And then you could go back in to here, and then we could, I did do this before, where are they? Oh, here's one. So then I could, what's this one look like? Hold on. Probably not that one. Let's find one where it's just solid. This one. Okay, so save and share. Animated GIF. Done. So we're going to go back into photos. We're going to find that photo, animated photo. We are going to click on it. We're going to go copy photo. Copy photo. I'm going to go back on here. Oh, no, back on here. We're going to add the sticker. And then we've got 2 videos playing. I think actually, let's just, I don't really want this in here anymore, but you could. If you wanted to put like a little click me there, you could. And then you've got 2 videos moving here. Maybe put this one, let's reverse it and put it like maybe over here. Maybe I should have put that one like that. And then this one like that. And then this in the middle somewhere, like that. So you just made yourself a template. And then you can't, the only thing you can't do, you can't draw on it, which is a bit annoying, but you could, for example, leave it like that. So you didn't need to do that background. Where's the middle? There. You could then go to GIFs on here. And let's go to camera frame. And then we could maybe go to like a Polaroid maybe, or yeah, let's do a Polaroid. And then you're gonna put that over it. Oh, so I don't like that one. Ah, this is when it gets hard, guys. When you keep moving shit around. Let's go back. I don't like that one. So I can't get my glasses on, so I can't see the patterns. Let's just do this one. That's quite cute. So you could put that like that. Oh, fuck it. No, that's not the one I want. I want this one. Put that one back there. Put that one back there. And then bring this one to there. So you could do that, and then you could type over it, new post. Let's give it a background, make it a little bit bigger, and put that like that. And then you could do like an arrow. Have you seen this on here now with the tools at the top? You now have arrow. Oh, I can't do that because I can't draw. Forgot about that. So then you could put something like that. So you've got so many elements going on. It's completely customizable. It is your own thing. Like, people would not have a clue where you got this from, but you've done it all yourself. And you can like just play around with it and do whatever you want to make it, you know? So like, for example, let's get rid of that. We could even make these smaller and just go for like something like that. A bit more minimal, more space. You've got room, then you can write. And you can draw. So you could draw an arrow. Gosh, you can draw an arrow. And then you can put new post, new. You know, you can just do whatever you want to do. It's great. You can also make your own GIFs that are actually just like, you know, like say you get ones like this, like for example, or like this for example. This is just a person doing this. You could just make this yourself, which maybe would be for a whole new video, because I'm thinking of making some myself, because I think that'd be quite cute. So maybe I'll put that in a new video, because I haven't done that yet. That's super cute. So that is how you do it. I'm going to stop recording my phone screen, make sure it saves. You've got your own little animated GIF, and you can do it from video or from live photos, whichever one you have on your camera roll. I take all my photos on live, so I've always got them available. But if you want to take short little videos or anything like that, then you can. You could even take one on Insta stories. Like you could take a video on Insta stories if you want to use like one of the filters or something. Take the video, save the video, put it in PicPLayPost, PicPLayPost, make it into a GIF, and then you can use multiple of them. Like, really cool. So that is everything for this video, guys. I really hope you found this helpful. Give it a thumbs up if you did, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, guys.